above the wood the blade is, but because that piece of wood is so wide, I'm adjusting it by measurement, okay? The other thing here is that we don't have a fence to go against because we're cutting this piece in half, okay? And so I'm gonna be up here pushing the wood through, and then I'm gonna need two people. Bernardo, you're gonna be one. Okay, Eros. Okay, you're gonna be here just kind of supporting the wood as it comes off. So come on up. Bernardo, come up.
They don't have a safety glasses.
Okay, and you need to go get safety glasses. Thank you. Got yours.
Sure.
So this is kind of like freehand cutting. I'm gonna get it up here, and I'm just gonna kind of watch the line as we go through. Normally, we have a guide out here to guide us through, because this is not a super accurate cut is not needed. Okay, and so we're just gonna rip this in half. He's gonna put it together, and he's gonna make a tabletop out of it. So it's just getting it cut in half. So Bernardo, over here. Okay, goes over there. So you're just standing to the side of the blade and supporting the wood as it comes off. Got that? Glasses on.
No.
Put them on. Power quick. Step to the side here. Rose, you ready? What I want you to notice right there, as the back started drooping, it started binding up. And so the people right here should have been supporting, keeping it as flat as possible as we go there. Okay? So, how many people finished up writing their table saw safety stuff? Because you should be finishing that up so that you can take the test. That's this test for this, and the test for the combination miter saw is going to be before the quarter grade. So you got to know that. Okay? Questions on that? Okay?